Good morning and welcome to the vlog. Back at it again, and today I'm going over to my friend's house. I may or may not have parked very close to this car. We are practically touching. Don't worry, I know the guy who owns that car. Lock my car. Gotta do that double knock. Good morning. Or afternoon. What the fuck's going on? No profanity here, Aiden. This is Joe and Aiden. It's a stressful one. They're editing footage for a football team.
Because you do. You can just put the whole clip in, can't you? Of the interviews.
Yeah, we'll do that. We had to interview the managers.
I asked the questions, I was pretty proud. Yeah, quite nerve-wracking, to be honest. I was like, I hope I don't mess up the question.
I think we should have won the game in the first half comfortably.
Well, he says down the M6.
Stop recording for a sec.
Okay.
How dare you tell me to stop recording?
It's my camera.
Whoa.
Stab me, boy.
See you later.
Live the adventure.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Alright. Hey lad, why is your car touching mine?
You. Want to make a? Like, should we make the platform to go in the back of your car?
Make a platform, eh?
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
Aiden does not have his key. Never mind. Hopefully no one knows. Actually, it's fine. Aiden lives at the barn if you want to come like find his house. His keys are left inside that shoe. I was putting my trousers on this morning and I didn't have a belt, so I had to do a makeshift and use a rope.
What? You got a
I full on used a rope for my belt today. I know. You know what's really frustrating?
What?
Not having the video microphone on when you record a clip.
Very, very frustrating.
Oh.
Right, Friday. Wait, is it Friday?
You making eggs, boy?
I'm just gonna have to settle with this bread as well.
I'm sure it'd be nice.
Yeah, but it has seeds in.
So?
Why does it have seeds in?
Can you juggle?
No,
Juggle.
Not with 3.
Juggle with 2. Faster! 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 Oh, mate. Oh.
Oh, I have fun, had that. I was stopping as well. I was stopping. Well, let's turn this down.
Yeah. I'm slightly disappointed. Get the mop.
Yep. Mop.
I don't know, get something to clean it up.
I'm gonna get the shell first.
Get right on in there. Oh, that's disgusting. Like, that's disgusting. Ah, lick your fingers.
No, you lick that.
Protein.
Lick it. Dare you.
Gains.
Lick it. I dare you. Get that tongue right in there.
This is disgusting. Is your floor clean?
Yeah, it's spotless.
It's on my chin. It's on my chin. How'd you do this?
Go.
Oh, I'm gonna have salmonella.
You saw it like come.
Like right. Where'd you clean yourself?
I can't remember.
Just have to use this towel here then.
No, there is.
Oh, there it is.
There you are.
Thank you.
Right. Oh wait, there. I'm gone. The oven's still on.
Cook now, clean later. That's a good motto. Reminds me of one of my old Instagrams or videos that I posted saying he's the woman of the family. He's the woman of the family.
Vine, that was.
Was that Vine?
Yeah, remember.
Oh, remember Vine. Rest in peace. Did you just stand in that?
No, nearly though.
Beautiful. It's got to be brown sauce.
Nah.
None of this ketchup stuff.
Sorry.
None.
And the cheese has to go under the egg, not on top. So the cheese melts, and then the ketchup.
You just ruined that egg there, you know. Ruin that egg. Ruin the eggs.
Even more.
Ketchup or barbecue? What do you have?
Definitely ketchup.
Barbecue. Taste test. You've done all right.
We're making a platform
To go in the back of my car.
Yeah.
This thing.
This is going to be like the main platform area.
The things the British do for tea.
Use that here.
We'll nail that in.
Ah! Yeah.
Right, let's go see if it fits. V. Heavy.
Right, that stays there.
Okay.
Blame me, blame.
Yeah. Okay, so the plank fits in the car. We just need to blunt some of the nails that are coming through the other side. And
Safety is our main priority.
Yes, it's our #1 concern. Okay, my sister's just called me saying that she's left her key inside the house, and I locked the house when I left, so we're gonna have to go let her in. Right, here we are back at the house. Here she is. Locked out. All you need to do is just not forget your key. Your hair grey. You're going old.
Actually, it's going a bit purple.
Someone's getting old. Someone's getting old. We're all getting old and it's grim. Right, just let her in. It's time to go back to the rough shoot to do the rest of the platform. Let's go. Oh. Right, so we're back here. Let's go. Saw required. Long piece of wood. Required.
You need 2 22 centimeters.
Did it do it? Yeah!
Try and jump on that. Yes. Just let Matt get in.
Right, so our mission today is pretty much complete. We've managed to get a little table into the back of my car.
Oh, and he's a knife and fork.
And some food. And the world will be our oyster. What is this for, you may be asking? You'll just have to wait and see. Right, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.